Mountain of Gamti, 1,268 meters, is located between the Mountain of Kruja and the Mountain of Brari. In recent years, this mountain has turned into a very attractive destination for walking and climbing in the characteristic meadows with an excellent panorama from all directions. The route follows the road up to the Lake of Bovilla, where the walk begins. The whole hike takes about 5 hours. From any height of Gamti Mountain, you can enjoy the spectacular view of the surrounding landscape. For those who love pure nature, rock climbing and a breathtaking view of Bovilla Lake, Gamti Mountain remains a tourist destination not to be missed. Mountain of Gamti is part of the Skanderbeg Mountains, also known as the Skanderbeg Ranges or the Western Ranges, which are a coastal mountain range in Albania that stretches about 80 kilometers in length.